Hello beautiful people, you are welcome to this channel today. If you have a damaged hair and you have been looking for a deeper moisturizer for your hair, this is the best video you have ever clicked. I'm going to be showing you how to restore back your damaged hair with coconut, a deep conditioner that is very good. Coconut has a lot of benefits. Coconut can restore your damaged hair back. Coconut milk is so good. If your blender is not strong, you scrape it first before blending it. But now I'm just cutting my little by little, just to cut it little. Okay, with other two ingredients, as you can see, butter and banana. Banana has a lot of benefit on our hair. Is going to maintain your natural hair, is going to soften your hair. All those things that is giving you problem on your skull, that is making your hair not to grow well, is going to take care of it. You just put it, because we are looking for the coconut milk. Coconut milk have a lot of benefits on our hair. If you have not been incorporating coconut milk into your hair, what are you waiting for? So I just add a little bit of water. If you know you can't do this, you scrape it, okay? So I just blends. Now it's almost done. Is okay this way, okay? The next thing we are going to be doing is just to take your sip and your bowl, your net cloth, any cloth, you sip with it. So after sipping with it, you can decide to put this liquid in the fridge so that the milk will be up. You take away the milk and throw away the water, or you can decide to do this, okay? If you want to do a thicker one, I would prefer for you to put it in the fridge to take away the milk on top. So I've added banana to the blender. So butter, I'm going to be adding butter into it. If you don't have butter, don't worry, but butter is just a plus, because butter is very good for your hair. Butter have a lot of nutrients, a lot of potassium, calcium, a lot of good stuff on your hair. Is going to repair your damaged skin. If you have not been using it, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is one of the deep condition you have to incorporate into your hair. So now I'm going to be adding it to the hair. You see this hair, I just lose it, is messed up, okay? I just lose the hair. It stay for almost 3 weeks. So now I just add the deep condition to it. Do you see the way it's softening the hair? And it's going to take care of your skull down there. It's going to take care of your dry hair. Your hair will not dry anymore when you are incorporating this into your hair. And guys, butter is very good. It's very good. Coconut milk, if you don't want to do this, just buy coconut milk in the supermarket. Just take the milk up and just use it, okay? It's very good. Different way I use coconut milk on my hair. I'm going to be bringing it into this channel. God bless you all for watching. Please subscribe, like, press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload. You can cover it with a net and leave it for 30 minutes or for 40 minutes, depends on the way you want. If you know you are not in a hurry, you can just leave it, cover it with a net and let it be there. So guys, this is it. When you are using this and using the oil we are doing here in this channel, you are going to love your hair and thank God. Seeing your hair, you will be loving it. You will like to flaunt it. You will like to go out with your hair. You will love it. This is very good. Even though you're putting a net to cover your hair, or you are putting wig, you have to maintain your hair. Natural hair is so good. So everything you need to maintain your natural hair, natural has been given to us by God. You see the way it's softening it? It's not just softening it alone, it's working, it's great work down there. The scarf is thanking this coconut milk this moment. Guys, this is good. This is a blessing in a container. Bye bye. Two of us are going to use it. You see, now it's done. Bye bye. Just wash it after 30 or 40 minutes. Subscribe, like, press the notification bell. Bye bye. I love you.